All right, it's Thursday 3 at the Vivid Gallery. We're heading to the end of August here, and well, we've got a little lull before the Labor Day comes in. And let's see what Jeff's got for us today.
Hey, good morning, Peter.
Hey, Jeff, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I just was saying, it's a little lull right now before the Labor Day craziness comes down.
And it's kind of nice to have just a little bit less.
Yeah. Do you have a little extra time to get some new shots?
Oh, I did, yeah. I got some wonderful sunrises, sunsets. They're all new.
Let's see some new stuff.
All right.
Oh, look at this.
The first one is a sunrise, and as I was leaving the beach after the sunrise, I saw this view, and it just captured me for some reason. I just love the umbrellas. The lighting's great because the sun is just coming up.
Right.
They almost seem like they're glowing in the sunlight.
Oh, they're beautiful. They're just so bright. So that's got to be the Sea Pines Beach Club?
That's Sea Pines Beach Club.
That's beautiful.
And I think we named this Getting Ready for the Day.
Yes, yes, yes. When they line up all those umbrellas, it's such a spectacular sight.
Isn't it?
Yeah. And you know, this is one of the few beaches that actually has a lifeguard stand because there's a lifeguard.
Right.
There you got lifeguards here, which is great.
So that was a fun shot.
That's a great shot. That's
Thank
a great addition. What else?
Well, let's go and let's look at the sunrise from that morning as well.
So this is the same day?
Same day. This
Wow.
was before I shot the umbrellas.
They're so different because this is that early when you get the golden hour and it's so golden.
Yep.
And when you that one over there, it's bright and it reflects off
Yeah.
those orange
Right.
orange umbrellas that look
Yeah.
beautiful.
The sun was up there. I wouldn't even shoot into the sun anymore.
Right.
In that umbrella picture. This one is it's just coming up, and it's got some nice lighting along the clouds here.
This is the golden hour. This is perfect because that happens at the end of the day and the beginning of the day.
Right.
Beautiful.
Exactly.
So that's another beach club shot.
Another beach club shot. Yep. And then here's a sunset.
Whoa!
at
Wait a minute.
Shelter Cove.
You got out of Sea Pines.
I did.
Out of your comfort level. This is the Shelter Cove Harbor, right?
That's Shelter Cove Harbor, and
I can see Ella's and the captain's quarters there.
yep, exactly. And the sky, of course, was what attracted me to the
Well,
photo.
the sky is magnificent. When you look at it, almost like brush strokes in the clouds.
Yeah, it was just spectacular that evening.
Yeah,
So that's one of the reasons I took the shot.
I just love the clouds, the wispiness. You could never like draw that or paint that to
No.
create those.
And of course, the colors run through it, and so I think it's a great photo.
Well, I love those as your new stuff.
Well, thank you, Peter.
All right. Well, what are we gonna do with the proceeds?
Well, we're going to send them to Michael J. Fox Foundation. We're looking for a cure for Parkinson's disease.
That's great. And we can come, during Labor Day. Are we gonna have any open special hours, or are we just still Monday through Friday?
No, I think we may be closed Labor Day itself. But
Okay.
The rest of the week we're open as we always are.
Perfect. Or you can go online and shop 24/7 at
Absolutely
vividgalleryhhi.com.
That's right.
You have a good one.
You too. Thanks, Peter.